everybody. Welcome back to Anne's Wellness Reset. One of the very first vegetables we enjoy from our gardens each spring is garlic scapes. If you've never grown garlic before, scapes are the curly flower stalks that grow from the hardneck garlic plants. We actually remove them before they flower because we want the plant to focus all of its energy on growing larger garlic bulbs rather than producing seeds. The bonus is that garlic scapes are absolutely delicious. 3 benefits I want to share with you today of garlic scapes. Number 1, they're very rich in antioxidants. Like garlic, garlic scapes contain beneficial plant compounds and antioxidants that help protect our cells from oxidative stress and support overall health. Number 2, they support heart health. Garlic scapes contain sulfur-containing compounds, similar to those found in garlic bulbs. These compounds have been associated with supporting cardiovascular health and healthy blood pressure. And thirdly, they add tremendous flavor without excess salt. Garlic scapes have a mild garlic flavor that's less intense than garlic bulbs. They're a wonderful way to add flavor to soups, stir-fries, pesto, eggs, and seasonings without relying on excess salt. So today, I'm turning my garlic scapes into garlic scape powder. It's a great way to preserve the harvest and enjoy that fresh garlic flavor all year round. So yesterday, I went out in my garden and I cut all the garlic scapes. I must have had about 72 or so garlic scapes. I had a mound in my kitchen. I cut them into 3, and then I put them in my food processor. And I ground them until they were not mush, but they were really small. Then I put them in the food dehydrator. I had about 6 layers in the food dehydrator. I set the temperature to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and I dehydrated them for about 5 hours. And this is what came out today. As you can see, they're very, very dry. I've already ground some of them. And then what I do is I put them in my coffee grinder and I pulverize them until they're nothing but powder. As you can see, this little bit of powder. And then what I do is I just store it. I'm storing the garlic powder in little jars. And now I'm going to be using this in soups and chilies, in roasted vegetables and marinades. Pretty well anywhere that you would use garlic powder, I'm going to use garlic scape powder. So if you've never tried garlic scapes before, make sure that you don't throw them away. There are so many things that you can make with them. So I hope you enjoyed the video and join me on the next one.